Welcome to another road trip, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, this time it's gonna nice. We have most exciting news to tell you. Start the things there, Kenisha.
Yes. So the journey has begun. Therefore, sales is great already.
Ah,
Now
yes.
we are actually in
St. Mary, right?
Saint Mary.
Take a look at all of them.
Look at it. Saint Mary it is.
Yes.
And yes, we're here doing a little snap. You know it goes.
Of course.
You know it goes.
Side
We love to
treatment.
take pictures.
Yes.
Now, with all of that, take a look. Take a look. Can you see how beautiful it is?
Hello, let me tell you something. You see the stone them are go hard.
They must sell off.
You see if you're not buy the stone, you're not saying nothing.
Talk about things there.
But let's talk about the shells them too. You see the shells them, I don't know where you get the shells them from.
Them have a buzz.
I'm gonna say them big, you know.
Them have a buzz.
And them big, you know.
Them have a buzz.
And then yes, you know.
Them have a buzz.
Me say,
Talk about things there.
alright. I'm gonna say the shell she. Shell. Just like she right at the seashell side.
We
And
sell
she name-
seashell by the seashore.
No
Hey.
question. Question. How long you guys will have this video?
Look, you can pause and go again, you know.
Where?
Anything you
Are
catch
you
it.
ready? Are you ready?
Cut.
Are you
Hey,
ready?
just finish up now. Finish up the
Are
video.
you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
So right now, as we're here, we're gonna journey. But guess what? Let my friend T take over and tell you what's happening.
There you go. Welcome to Nature's Signature, another one live reporting from St. Mary. Now, as you know, this is where we all call the Banana Estate. And over there is where you find lovely bushes and trees where you can squat and do just about anything that you like. Now,
Yes,
when we
I
come
love
to
it. Nature's
Nature's
Signature.
we're talking about the stones. And today we're here to ensure that your
Yes.
needs are our priority.
Yes.
So just about any time that you're ready, come along. It's on Instagram, it's on Facebook. It's actually Nature's Signature, and we are.
Seashell.
And we are actually nature.signature. What else is it?
Bracelet. Yes.
And you can
What
also
are
find
these?
us on YouTube.
Yes. Please go and follow us.
What we say? Them a bubbles.
That would be nice.